welcome to Roller Baz and
Coaster Dad, and we are here in Warrington, and we've gone to a theme park by mistake.
It's very rare that we go to a theme park by mistake, but it's right here and we couldn't resist.
Yeah, we were in Warrington visiting friends. I had to go to work today. We thought, why not see what Gulliver's is like? It's a kid's park. He's just about still a kid. There's a Woody here. 3 creds, 4 creds, I'm not even sure. Never thought we were going to come here because he's a bit bigger, but you know, let's go get some creds. So what we've decided to do today is take a little deal, right Baz?
Deal?
Yeah, it's a deal.
So we're waiting until 2 o'clock for the £20 ticket.
Well, I think it's actually 15. It's half price from
Really?
2 o'clock. You get half a day, it's half the price. But we've got to wait till 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we'll do that.
Yeah.
Tiny theme park, but it's bigger than we thought, right Baz?
Yeah, way bigger than I thought.
Is it like the TARDIS? Don't know what song that is. Hey, I'll bring you the world. We bring you the world here on Rollerbads and Coaster Dad. Bring you the world.
All around the world.
So what was the main thing that made us think it'd be worth an afternoon here?
A mini Woody.
A Woody called the Antelope. Here it is. It's a little Woody.
It's nice. A little dip at the end. A little dip.
Should be fun. Let's go have a ride.
Or are we underestimating the power?
Is it a Mega Woody?
So it's a Mega Woody.
Also, boats. Ooh, classy theming. Classy, little bit of rusty metal. We're waiting. Ops are slow. Takes a while. There goes another train now.
Yeah.
It's hot. So hot. This is going to be our 10th Woody, Baz. Our 10th Woody.
Great.
So in the off season we could do a top 10 Woodies video.
Oh, this one will probably come last, but
Oh, don't say that. Don't say that. It might be better than that.
let's see.
We've ridden our 10th Woody. Baz, Woody number 10. The Antelope. Honest review, I think.
It was rattly at the end, but it was really good throughout the ride. Had some dips and swivels, and at one point it took really long to get around the corner. It's like going in slow-mo.
I found it was either doing nothing or a couple of brief moments trying to kill me.
Yeah.
When you're going around the corner, it's very slow, scenic railway style as I thought it would be. But then when it goes down the dips, the whole train kind of compresses, bashes into each other like something out of Thomas the Tank Engine, troublesome trucks. Not the good troublesome trucks at Drayton, the story ones. And yeah, it kind of like rattles to bits, and then it throws you into the lap bar when you get back in.
Absolutely.
I was looking it up, and it's made by a Scottish manufacturer based in Glasgow who managed to make 2 coasters before their career ended. So yeah, it's fun. I would definitely get the cred. It's a real laugh. It's just silly, really. It's not terrible. It's just, you know, it's a kid's Woody. What do you expect? It's a bit of fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, we enjoyed it. Let's go and see what else we might do in this afternoon at Gulliver's.
Yeah.
Didn't expect to be here today. So this is Gulliver's new little area for last year, 2023. Baz, they got this area.
Yeah.
And they got this little swing and this little zero coaster. It looks like the same broad format as the one that's at that indoor park in London. Looks like the same kind of design, I think.
Alien.
Yeah, the Alien Park.
Alien park.
I think that's the same coaster, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. We only rode that a couple of times.
Yeah.
Didn't really stick in my head. Different layout, regardless. But yeah, Gulliver's Gears. This new area with the little swing over there and this looks pretty tidy. Looks good. Good investment. Well done them. The rest of the park looks like it could use a little paint and a little bit of love, but this is looking great.
Yeah.
Lovely for the kiddies.
It looks like a very intense helix on that bit. Like just look at it. Just look how the head. Look at that. That's a quality helix if I've ever seen one.
Review of that ride. Well,
Bumpy.
Grand Prix is pretty whipping. That
I
helix.
told you my predictions are always correct on the helixes.
That helix has got a little bit of intensity to it. It might be only second to Nemesis in the UK. It's pretty intense. I'm not joking. Like Grand Prix racers, back row. Yeah, it's a little zero ride, but it is genuinely quite an intense helix. It's good. Good investment, this park. Well done. Yeah, come here, pay your money. Like this. If you've got little kiddies, it's good.
Happy smile. Now, I have just seen something. So look over there. You see that little bit of hedge right there? Have they made the humans mouses? Have they stolen the idea from Europa Park, or?
Well, at Europa Park, the mouses are mouses.
Yeah.
Whereas Gulliver's been a mouse here for a while as well. So, but it does seem like Europa Park's current film project, it's probably been in the works for a while, but right here's an area with similar theming. You join us in the...
Haunted Mansion. I think this is a walkthrough.
It's basically as good as Fright Nights. Baz is going to go first.
Nope, you're going in.
So, which corridor? Gusti's not providing you much commentary there, just letting you experience the thrill of this haunted mansion. It's a nice animatronics.
Actually, I'm pretty confident. Can I go
Look,
first?
animatronics. It's cool.
Oh. This is a pretty cool haunted
There you go, dude.
mansion. Now you push, bro.
No, you push,
You
bro.
push, bro.
I've done the whole thing. You got to go first.
Push, bro.
He's too scared of nothing.
I'm
Scaredy. It's like the ghost train, just no train. Oh, the scary step.
Uneven fall.
What is it? How does that even work? How is that a door that you're not meant to go through?
Welcome,
So, phone charging. Hi. We did it. How scared are you, Baz?
Not very scared. It's nice. It's nice.
Baz has decided he really wants to do the mini log flume. I'm not silly. I know that tiny log flumes, big men, not a good combination if you want to stay somewhat dry, and you've got dinner to have after this with friends. So Baz's going on by himself. I'm going to watch out for him here, and I'll run round and catch a splash for you. And here he comes, Warrington Log Rider Bennett. Roller Baz to you, Baz to his friends. We'll see him when he comes down into the splash zone. Love a dino area, Baz. We were only in one the other day.
I love a dino area.
Flight of the pterosaur. Also, flight of the same restraints as Hero. So, coasting with the Joneses have told us to try the hatchery, so we will. I recognise this ride. This ride was a ride we didn't do at Europa Park the other week. This is the ride that represents Britain at Europa Park, but there... Oh, we've gone the wrong way. There, the ride is... taxis. Here it's eggs. Well, sadly, we've run out of time, and the ops on the hatchery were terrible, weren't they, Baz?
I don't think we were going to make it anyway.
We arrived to it half loaded, and 10 minutes later, the ride op still hadn't sent it off. Having long conversations with people, taking ages to tell people. Yeah, so we're just not going to make it on that, and we've got to be places. So I would not call this a full review of Gulliver's. We've just been here a couple of hours just to fill a bit of time in our day because we were nearby. What did you think though, Baz?
It was alright.
It was nice. It's a kids' park. If this had been near us in Edinburgh when Baz was smaller, this would have been amazing. If you live in the northwest and this is on your corner and you've got little kids, or you are a little kid, because this is aimed at families as a whole, go and check it out. 15 quid for the afternoon or 30 quid for the day. Quality. Good value for money. But yeah, that is our little review of Gulliver's in Warrington, and we have been
Roller Baz and
Coaster Dad, and we will see you next to... Why is it glitching? It's glitching. We're going to disappear.
Wait, wait,
Come back.
wait.
It's glitching really badly though, Baz.
Wait, so, and remember to like and subscribe.
Oh yeah, that is important. Like and subscribe.